At this point, Ambassador Melvin and Secretary Perez, as I call the Board of Directors of 2022 to 2024. Mr. Edward Ling, Hao Han Hee Hu, Stephen Cao, Eric Yam, Azar Mahmoud, Alimatar Gagaran II, and Stanley Lo. Ambassador Melvin and Secretary Perez will be the ones to give the plaque of appreciation to our Board of Directors 2022 to 2024. Dedication and service during your term. Truly exemplary. Your a strong foundation for the future of MCCI. Once again, Mr. Edward Lin, Hans Hao, Stephen Cao, Eric Yam, Azar Mahmoud, and Alimatar Gagaran II, and Stanley Lo. Thank you for your service from 2022 to 2024. Let's give them a big round of applause.